Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to bend text in GIMP. So first we need to go to File on the left upper corner, and after that we need to go to New. Here on Width and Height we need to type dimensions, and after that we need to click OK button. Our background has been successfully created here and added as a layer, so now we need to add a new text. So I click on Text tool, and on size I type 200, and after that I click somewhere on the background and I type here bend text. Now I will change position of this text somewhere here, and then I need to go to Paths tool. I click on it, and we need to create a simple path. For example, I click here, I will click and hold somewhere here, and maybe somewhere here. Okay, our path has been successfully created. Now we need to create a new layer, so I go to Layer, I go to New Layer, and I click OK. Then we need to click right mouse button on Bend Text, and we need to select here text along path. Now we need to go to Paths, we need to click right mouse button on Bend Text, and we need to select here Paths to Selection. Now I go back to Layers, I click on Layer, and I need to go to Bucket Fill tool. We need to select here FG Color Fill, and we need to select here Fill Wall Selection. Now I click inside the text, and how you see our text is bent now. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.